Hello everybody! Today we will do the waterproof test of Redmi Note 8. Redmi Note 8 uses a 6.3-inch LCD screen with a screen resolution of 1080p and a water drop screen design. Redmi Note 8 is equipped with Qualcomm Mirrorsource 665 processor, 11nm process, CPU. Mirrorsource 665 uses the same 4+4 small 8-core architecture as 660 Cryo 260 core, the main frequency up to 2.0 GHz. As we all know, Redmi Note 7 has gained a lot of attention and achieved good results. How about the waterproofing performance of the new generation of Redmi Note 8? Let's have a look. In the droplet test, we can clearly see that the screen isolates the droplets. From the light on the screen, I think the waterproof is good. After the shower test, Redmi Note 8 can also slide pages and take photos normally. But what we didn't expect happened was that the Redmi Note 8 turned off automatically and couldn't open it when the next test was about to take place. From the video, you can clearly see that there are droplets in the headphone hole and the front-end camera is fogging. Let's take a look at its internal water intake. After removing the mobile phone, there are water droplets in the chassis. The main water intake areas are headphone holes and vocal duct holes. It can be seen that the test paper of headphone holes has completely turned red. The glass screen of Redmi Note 8, which fits tightly with the aluminum frame, is not waterproof. Don't try to put your Redmi Note 8 intake into the water, because it is very easy to get into the water. Its waterproof level should be 3 to 4.